What if I told you a signal was detected in space that should never exist?
2017, scientists working with NASA picked up something strange. A deep space signal coming from billions of miles away. At first, it seemed normal, but then they noticed something terrifying. The signal had a pattern, not random, not natural, almost like it was created. Something was trying to communicate. But here's where it gets impossible. When they traced the origin, they realized something didn't make sense. The signal appeared before it was even recorded, almost like it arrived before it was sent. That's not just strange, that breaks the laws of time itself. Because in our universe, cause always comes before effect. But this was the opposite.
So if that signal really came from the future, then someone already knows what's about to happen. And that changes everything. Because it means the future might already exist. Not something we create, but something we're moving through. Like a path already written in time. But here's where things get even more disturbing. What if this wasn't just a signal? What if it was a message, a warning sent back through time to prevent something? Think about it. If humanity discovers something dangerous in the future, the only way to stop it might be to warn the past. And that's exactly what this could be. A message traveling across time, trying to reach us. But what scientists discovered next was even more disturbing. Because the signal wasn't random. It had patterns, structured, almost like information. Something designed, but not for us. And that raises a terrifying possibility. What if this message wasn't meant to be understood yet? What if it came from a future far beyond us? Because if this is really a message from the future, then it means one thing. Humanity survives long enough to send it. But that doesn't mean everything is okay, because warnings are only sent when something goes wrong. And if this is a warning, then what are we being warned about? A future disaster? A moment where everything changes? And the only way to stop it is to reach back to us right now. But here's the problem. We don't know how to read it. We don't know how to respond. And maybe we're not supposed to. Because one small change in time could destroy everything. Or maybe that's already happened. Maybe this signal is all that's left from a future that no longer exists, trying to reach a past that will never understand it. So now the question isn't, is time travel possible? The real question is, did we already receive the warning and ignore it?